Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. Hope everybody's fantastic and a good head. Look at the beautiful sunny day. Today we are a very different place. Actually, we are out of London. This place called, what's the place called? Anyway, that's actually a farmhouse. Like they have lots of farm, and then you can see. I want to show you guys. Okay, we just parked the car here. It's a beautiful place to park here. I think it's free parking if you come to farmhouse inside. Somewhere there's a lot of animals. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's go inside. Let's park the car. Chimmy's getting ready. Mama's getting ready. All wicked gonna happen. Guys, we are here. What is it called? Hounslow here, urban farm. Welcome. Look at this. Baby, hold this one for me 1 minute. Look at this. This is the main gate, guys. So we're gonna go inside. Let's make it happen. This is the first time out coming. So these are all the prices here, guys, if you want to come. Look at the adult, 750, 650 child, and yeah, all the family stuff, I think. Let's see. Animals, we're gonna come now here. We eat the animals also. You see animals. We're gonna touch the animal. Maybe a snake, parrot, I don't know what is gonna come up. Maybe snake. Hamster, I want to touch, snake, I want to touch. We're gonna catch, we're gonna play with them, okay? You're gonna. Wow, look at the Scorpio. What's your name?
This one?
Yeah.
I ain't got clue.
No name. Look at this. Wow. Thank you.
The dogs are normally nameless.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's so nice. Wow. So cute. What's her name?
He's a Madagascan hissing cockroach.
Madagascar. Just a touch? No touch. Okay.
No? Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, Madagascar. Thank you. Big spiders. African spider. And other one, what was that? We already saw that one. Other one is on the way. Guys, it's so interesting, absolutely. Chiming, I'll go on this, the other one's coming. Other bugs.
This guy's pretty cool, as his shell is made out of bone. He can feel anything as light as a feather, so we don't want to be tapping on his shell. But with him, we can give him a lovely stroke on the shell or hold him like a sandwich or burger, as he feels very safe if we can do that. But with him, we can hold and as he's on his way home, he can just lick it instead of having to stop. He also
1, 2. Look at Annie. So cute, yeah? Oh, you get the picture. Thank you. Bye bye, Gadu. Bye bye. What's your name?
I like that.
Okay. You have slowly. Did I help you? Can I hold you? Like a sandwich. You see? Yeah, it's okay. Wow, look at baby tortoise. Slowly. Good girl. It's okay. Beautiful. Yeah? Okay. Slowly. Beautiful. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Wow. Dada bokum. Look. Here we go. Slow down. Careful. Slowly. Gently. See? Let me see the face. Wow. Look, so cute. What's called?
A leopard gecko.
Leopard gecko. Wow. Okay. Bye bye, leopard gecko. Slowly. Just touch the back. So very gentle. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye, Gadu. Akamuk. Wow. Thank you. I'm good.
Instructor. She will come from South America. We will just be holding or stroking her belly, just as she is a bit large. But these are our last animals. So once you've held them, we would suggest washing your hands with lots of soap and water.
This way.
Oh, this way, other way. Yeah. Thank you.
No.
Wow, so nice. Two. Huh? It's okay. She's okay. Wow, look at that. Wow. So beautiful snake. Beautiful. Koi snake, Shimi? Snake koi. Snake gonna stroke slowly. Wow. She loves it. Look at this snake. Slowly, it's okay. 1. Slowly, gentle. 2.
How brave she is.
Yeah?
She's so brave.
Oh, she's brave. She likes it. Wow. She was very holding night.
She's more brave than some of the grown-ups.
First time in my life I touched a snake and I really stroke the snake. It's really nice. Chuming is absolutely, I would say, brave girl. Chuming, wash your hand. You need to wash your hand. Hand washi washi pala. Pala hand washi washi. We're gonna wash your hand and then we're gonna go to see the ship. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's wash your hand first. Good girl.
Yeah.
Wash your hand.
Look at that aeroplane.
So what they say is when you touch your snake, you need to wash your hands. So we're gonna wash your hand and we're gonna feed the ship. There's so many sheep there. And look, Mama and Chiming's feeding them. Ali, down. Let me hold. Talk then. I will show you how to feed. Talk then, yeah, Chiming. Good job. Chimay, not Chimay, not Chimay. Good girl. Come here this way. Look at the plane again coming. Wow. Many do. Hold it. Baba black sheep do. Good girl. Look at it. Oh, there. Look. Good job. Here, Lamba. Come. Lamba Onus, come here this way. Wow, look at the Lamba. Cow canam, this is Chiming's feeding. Look at this. Chiming's so brave. I cannot believe that. She's brave. Look, she's so very brave, I would say. She's not scared, eh? Guys, this is really nice. Look at this plane. Wow. What a fantastic. I don't know how many years. Wow, you cute. Cuma you? Pigeon, baby pigeon. Aja? Peacock. Wow. Look at this peacock here. Wow, what a beautiful color, huh? Oh no, peacock gone to sleep. Look at the guy, absolutely beautiful color. They are relaxing when the sunshine. Wow. There's more there. A couple of those.
No, be dangerous.
He said there's one in there. I think he's eating grass. Wow. Mama, do like? Yes, yeah. Chiming, look, feed him. Lah. Aja bakra mana? Good job. Good girl. Look at one. So nice. You see? They like it. There's one in there. Chiming did you? Chiming? Yeah, too. Mama did chiming lari kidi. Hat pa tak rakh Chiming sama dun. Look. 1, 2. Good girl.
That's good.
Kina? He got the camera like bichara. Oh, see, look at this. So nice. Thank you, Bana. Look at the goat. It's so nice goat. Good. Now, guys, we're gonna go that side. Let's see what's Chiming and me having wonderful time. And the sun is really nice, not very hot. Look at that. They're feeding. They're feeding goat. They're feeding a lamb. They're feeding what we have here. Tortoise. We have a duck. So many things. It's a really nice place. I never knew that. And it's just 10-15 minutes drive from our house. We have invent one more place for Chiming. So maybe next time we're gonna come back a little bit earlier. So early mornings. So we're gonna explore more. But still, we have plenty of time. They close 5:30, 5 o'clock. But yeah, we've been enjoying. Guys, I'm going to tell you which place is this exactly. I'll give you address. If anybody want to come in here, please bring your kids, or you can come just a day out. And it's nice. Guys, this guy's had too much food. I think he's relaxing, enjoying. Look at a lovely sunny day. Make it close. Good job. Look at this. And they all are very fat actually. I think everybody feeds food here. And then yeah, they're fatty. Nice. She's very clever. I'm clever. Brave kitty is Amra Chori. What's this chicken? Cock. Oh, look at his hand. Wow. Let's go to that side. Let's go. We can see the duck here. Look at the duck, baby duck. Is that baby duck? Oh no, it's real duck. Whoa, look to me. Oh, the duck is here. See? Quack, 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 quack. Tonan duck. Here is you. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they have a black sheep. Chumu, baby sheep, come here this way. Look at the baby sheep here. We're gonna feed some baby sheep. Can you say, yeah? Let me get a little bit more. Look, everybody's enjoying. Here you go, baby sheep. Baba, black sheep, heavy any. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bucks food. Swimming to be honest, swimming is that side. I don't know why. Chumo? Man, got this baby sheep. Bichara. Look at man. Got this. Hello, Banu. Hello, baby sheep. Banana. Look, guys. There's a big sheep there. Small sheep. Oh my God. Look, a big one. That's it, Banana. That's it. After the feeding, we need to hand wash. Look at this. Because you never know, they have my germs. So perfect. Mama is doing a great job. Mama is cleaning. Trimming? Enjoying? Nice? Yeah, she's really first time in life she saw everything is live. Live goat, live sheep, live monkey, live baby monkey. Good job. Oh, there you go. Pepper towel, blue roll. There you go. Dry, and in the bin here, Mama. Bin's here. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. Now we're gonna go to a maybe coffee shop. Some of this coffee shop there. Maybe I bouncing and then jumping. Oh, let's go to jumping. Indoor play. Let's go to indoor play for baby. This is indoor play. What's inside here? Anything? Oh, turtles having fun. Look at this. Nice one. Oh, sorry. Let me see what's inside. Anything here? Nothing much special. Where's the baby? Chiming. Hey, look at this. What we have here. Please do not. Okay. That instruction. They got a little fish. Fish are okay. Look at that. I don't know what fish is this. Anybody know what fish is this? Please write the comments. Look. This is look like a lizard. Or look like a fish. I got no clue what fish is this. And then we're gonna go this way. Oh, this is like an aquarium. Look, baby fish, tiny fish. We go this way. What fish is this? I don't know. Fish and chips. Look at this fish. And then, yeah, okay, small aquarium here, so people can watch the fishy. Yeah. Wow, good job. Jumping, yeah. Jumping. 1, 2. Wow, good job. Look. Wow. Yeah, same like that. Yeah. Now she knows. Oh, what's in the other side? Wow, jumping. Wait, let's have some ice cream. Walk slowly. Let's get some ice cream. Look, Chimmy, what ice cream you like it? Which are they good for the kids?
Milk lollies.
Milk lollies, here we go. Thank you.
It's alright.
You see?
They're £1 each.
Pound each. Oh, cheap. Very nice. Pound each. And then let's have a Diet Coke. Mama want Diet Coke? Mama, get hands. Okay. We're gonna have a Diet Coke. Mama have my milk lolly. Oh, nice. And a Diet Coke.
And a Diet Coke.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Look, baby's enjoying. So nice. It's more. Do you like it, snakes? Oh, snake. Legit. Oh, look at the fillet. Remember, this is the we touched the other 10 minutes ago, half an hour ago. You like it? Tiny monkey. It's a monkey, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, monkey actually. Monkey. Take a bit close. Monkeys, this. Wow. They are very tiny.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
They're very aggressive.
Aggressive. Ah, okay. Wow. It's close. Smallest monkey in the world I've seen. Never seen that before. It's so small. It's like my hand size, you see? Look at it's like my hand size. It's very tiny.
Yeah.
Wow. Here we go. Yes, ice cream. Now it's break time. We're gonna have an ice cream and we're gonna have a Diet Coke because the coffee shop is closed. So we're gonna sit down here a few minutes. Baby, go straight walk. Walk, 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 and then right. Yeah, Basam. Wow, let's see here. Yeah, Basam. Okay, sit here. Do you want to sit there or you want to sit here? Yeah, Basam, Basam. Oh, matale. Chumi, come here, sit here. Chumo. It's a break time, man. What's it mean? It's a break time. Your heart up. You okay? You okay? There's a heart. Mama, thank you, Manu. Thank you, Mama, Manu. So nice. Macaron. Chocolate. Person with white chocolate cookies. White chocolate cookies. Honey. Flavor so nice. Come here. Come now. Come. So nice chocolate. You have your one. I have my one. I've never ever seen that the color parrot. Always see the green, red, yellow, but this is a different color. And he's enjoying the lunch. Wicked! Swimming, riding, cup and saucer. Let's see if I can move it. Whoa, cup and saucer, I can move it. Wow. Cup and saucer. See? It's closed, but still we can walk. Look at this. Nice swimming. This is my first experience see a llama very, very close. I always seen TV, in a movie, everywhere, but never seen that close llama. They say danger, keep, oh yeah, danger, keep deep water. Okay. Look at the llama. How's it going? Look at this, there are two of those. Look like one is male, one is female, I think. Okay. Wow. What a beautiful animal. Honestly. The creatures. Look at this. The neck is long. The face like a little bit look like a tiger. And half look like a sheep. Goat. Everything mix and match. Wow. Okay. Chiming's on the way. Chiming! Jani Abu? Let's go, eh? Guys, we finished now. We're going to home. Not going. We're going to eat some lunch now. Let's go. Oh, Mama. Look at this. What a beautiful jungle and a parking here. We really enjoyed. I would give this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, okay? Let's drive and we go to, oh, careful. We're gonna go to have some lunch.